Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew peas with pigtail. First, you'll want to prepare your pigtail by soaking it overnight to draw out excess salt and make it tender. Then, gather all your fresh ingredients like red kidney beans, thyme, scallions, and spices. Pressure cook the pigtail for about 20 minutes until it's perfectly soft, setting the stage for a delicious meal. Next, boil your red kidney beans until they are wonderfully soft, which usually takes about 1 hour. Once the beans are ready, add your tender pigtail along with a vibrant mix of fresh seasonings. Don't forget to stir in rich coconut milk and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic, irresistible flavor. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great recipes. And speaking of keeping things clean, especially after a delicious meal, why not upgrade your kitchen cleanup? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now let's get back to the video. To thicken your stew, prepare some simple flour spinners and gently drop them into the simmering pot. Let the stew continue to cook for about 30 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to reach a perfect consistency. Finally, taste and adjust the seasonings to ensure your stew peas are absolutely delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.